Good afternoon, folks. 20 degrees outside. Can't go fishing. Not much to do outside. Thought I'd do you a little video on knife sharpening. On a Rough Rider carbon steel blade pocket knife. Pretty little knife. Using this stone, double-sided Ace hardware stone. On my knives, I like my edges to suit me. And this is fairly sharp, but if it don't suit me, it's not a good edge. So I'm gonna have to do like this. Very careful, not the correct angle of sharpening this, and do it aside, and I'll have to get it out. I won't be able to show you the process because I can't hold it like this, but I have to move up here and sharpen a little bit and be back with you. Using the rough side takes a little while to get it where I want it. Test it as I go along. I'm doing this on one side to where I get a burr on the other side. A little bit more and a little bit more to go. Wish I could do this outside because it gives better light. But it's too cold outside. Hopefully next week it'll warm up. I don't know about some of you, but I don't like cold weather. I like warm weather where you can get out and go fishing and catch big, bad boy fish. All right. Progress so far. Coming along. Okay, now I've got a burr on this edge here. I'll turn it over and do the same thing. Okay, the burr on the other side. Now I'm going to go back on it. I'm using the phone on my camera, which leaves much to be desired. Later on, I hope to have me a camera. Okay, it's getting sharp. Now a little bit on the other side. And I'll keep on doing this until I'm satisfied with it. I'm picky about my blades and the edges. Back and forth, back and forth. I could use the phone camera, but I'd have to almost twist my body into a pretzel so you could see something. Okay, now I've got a fairly good edge. So now it's time to take the smooth side and run it down a little bit. Same thing, back and forth, keeping the correct angle. I like sharpening like this because it lets me keep a good angle. I've got sharpening systems, but I don't know, there's something about doing it yourself, not using them. For me, it helps. I've seen some people lay them flat on a stone and sharpen them. They do pretty good. Let's see what we got now. Okay, looking good so far. A little bit more. Okay, now I'm satisfied with where it's at. So now it'll be stropping time. So I'm going to use a little strop here, go over it. That's right where I want it. Now we get a piece of paper. Find one. Now let's pass this out. Let's see how sharp it is. Yep, that's good. I think I'll fine tune it a little more with the fine stone, and might be a little sharper than that. But I'm satisfied with it. And that's all I use for sharpening. Hope y'all enjoy this. Stay warm. And bye.